Don't praise the soul. Praise the one who made it. Think about it. Every time we achieve something, we say, I worked hard, I'm talented, I am intelligent. But when success comes, why do we forget the one who gave success to us? Allah says in Qur'an, so do not claim yourself to be pure. He knows best who is mindful of him. Surah An-Najm 53:32. Everything you have is from Allah. The air you breathe, the food you eat, the strength in your body, the knowledge you possess, the wealth you own, your family, every blessing you have is from Allah. Even your next heartbeat is only by the permission of Allah. Who are we to become proud? Don't let the blessing make you forget the one who blessed you. Don't praise the soul, praise the one who made it. This life is only a test. Every one of us will return to Allah. So, return to Allah before you are returned to Allah. May Allah protect us from arrogance, increase us in gratitude, and keep our hearts attached to Allah alone. Ameen.